Hey friends, if you wish to see how many pages a Word document is comprised of, then please watch this video. So I will add a few pages here just for the sake of this example. Insert blank page, blank page, blank page. I will write some gibberish here. Okay, and also on this page I will write some gibberish. And on this I will write some gibberish. Okay, so how many pages do we have? It is easy. Simply click at the absolute left bottom of the corner of the screen and you will see all the pages here, and it will also mention the number of pages. So this is how easy it is to check. But let us say we have a lot of pages and you wish to use the official method, then simply go to the review tab and click on word count and you'll see the pages here. Like in this case it says 4 pages, but yeah, this is what I use. At the left bottom corner I can click on this and then I can easily access any page. Like if I want to go to the fourth page, I can access this. Again, if you literally written a book or something, then you can use the word count method as well, but it eventually gives the same answer. So it gives a little bit more information, like the total number of words, characters, paragraphs, lines, etc. So you can choose whatever is comfortable for you. We have given you both the options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.